Why do some people build wealth effortlessly while others struggle for years? Is it intelligence? A six-figure salary? A lucky break? Nope. The truth is, most self-made millionaires follow a specific blueprint, a series of steps that transform their financial future. And today, I'm giving you that exact formula. This isn't about cutting back on coffee or working 80-hour weeks. It's about mastering the millionaire mindset, multiplying income streams, and putting your money to work for you. Stick with me until the end, because I'm revealing 10 millionaire habits that can change your financial destiny forever. Let's go. Number 1, the wealth mindset shift. How to think like a millionaire story. Meet Alex and Jordan. Both earn $75,000 a year, but their financial paths couldn't be more different. Alex spends freely, luxury apartment, new car, and weekend parties. Jordan invests 40% of income into assets, stocks, real estate, and a side hustle. Fast forward 10 years, Alex is still stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Jordan, financially free, same income, different mindset. What the wealthy do differently? They invest first, spend later. They buy assets, not liabilities. They prioritize long-term growth over short-term pleasure. Quick test. If you had $50,000 today, what would you do with it? The wealthy make their money work for them. The moment you adopt this mindset, you take your first step toward financial freedom. Number 1, the wealth formula, 70-20-10. Rule-making money is step 1. Keeping and multiplying it is the real game. Story. Samantha and Daniel both earn $6,000 per month, but Daniel follows the 70-20-10 rule. 70% covers living expenses, 20% is invested, 10% is saved for opportunities. After 5 years, Daniel's investments generate thousands in passive income. Samantha, on the other hand, is still in survival mode. Common financial mistake: 90% plus of income spent on expenses. No investments, no financial growth. Action step: pay yourself first. Every dollar that doesn't grow is a missed opportunity. Number the passive income playbook: money while you sleep. Want to make money even when you're not working? That's passive income, the key to financial freedom. Story. Imagine waking up to see $200 deposited in your account, not from work, but from assets working for you. The 6 income streams of millionaires: stock dividends, getting paid for owning stocks; rental income, earning from real estate properties; digital products, selling online courses, ebooks, or templates; affiliate marketing, earning commissions from referrals; business ownership, building an automated business; royalties, money from books, music, or patents. Reach out to 3 successful individuals this month and start building your circle of influence. Number 9, the power of automation. Scale without stress. Story. Lisa started an online business that runs 24/7. Start one passive income stream this month. Even a small start leads to massive results. Number 2, the high income skill advantage. Fact: your salary won't make you rich, but a high income Evan with skill with minimal effort because she leveraged automation. Automated investing. Set up recurring stock and crypto purchases. Business systems. Use tools to handle email marketing, payments, and customer service. Time leverage. Examples of high income skills: sales and closing, mastering high-ticket sales, copywriting, writing that drives conversions, digital marketing, managing ads and funnels, AI and tech, coding, AI automation, cybersecurity, investing. Focus on high-value tasks while automation handles the rest. Action step: automate one financial or business process this week. Number 10, the legacy mindset, generational wealth building. Fact: true wealth isn't getting stocks, crypto, or options. Action step: pick one skill, master it, and increase your earning potential. Number 3, leveraging other people's money, OPM, to build wealth light bulb. Story: just about Michael bought a 200 about making money. It's about leaving a legacy. Invest in assets that appreciate over time. Create a will and estate plan to protect wealth. Teach financial literacy to your family. Action step: plan one long-term investment for your future generations. $50,000 property using just $12,500 of his own money. The rest? The bank's money. That's leverage. The wealthy use other people's money to scale their wealth. How? Real estate investing, using bank loans to acquire rental properties. Business credit, raising funds from investors. Stock market leverage, trading on margin for bigger returns. Action step: learn how to use OPM responsibly to accelerate wealth building. Number 6, tax secrets of the wealthy. Fact: the rich legally pay less in taxes by using strategies most people ignore. How the wealthy reduce taxes: business write-offs, travel, meals, home office. Tax-advantaged accounts, Roth IRA, 401k. Real estate depreciation, huge tax savings. LLCs and trusts, protecting assets and wealth. Research tax-saving strategies or consult a tax professional to keep more of your hard-earned money. Number 7, the ultimate financial challenge: build wealth now. Here's my challenge for you. Drop a comment below with your number 1 financial goal for the next 12 months. Want more wealth building strategies? Hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Your financial future starts today. Number 8, smart networking. Build a circle of influence. Fact: your network is your net worth. Wealthy people surround themselves with other successful individuals who inspire, challenge, and open doors to new opportunities. Find mentors and coaches, attend business and investing events, connect with like-minded people. Action step: reach out to 3 successful individuals this month and start building your circle of influence. Number 9, the power of automation. Scale without stress. Story: Lisa started an online business that runs 24/7 with minimal effort because she leveraged automation. Automated investing, set up recurring stock and crypto purchases. Business systems, use tools to handle email marketing, payments, and customer service. Time leverage, focus on high-value tasks while automation handles the rest. Action step: automate one financial or business process this week. Number 10, the legacy mindset. Generational wealth building. Fact: true wealth isn't just about making money, it's about leaving a legacy. Invest in assets that appreciate over time. Create a will and estate plan to protect wealth. Teach financial literacy to your family. Action step: plan one long-term investment for your future generations.